All right. Yemo bibi akwa Banfamra Fabio TV so. Home of local stories. As usual, abofo hunten no. Messenger Matenase. The Sky Player Messenger. Abofo hunten no Messenger. At long last, the prodigal son is in. Akwa ne debo. Amwatia na dia amwatia ba adwuma. Ti bibia na kwam kama. So bibia fine.
Oh, bibia fine.
How are you being?
Oh,
say by God's flavor.
I am in the fine.
Say by God's flavor. How have you been?
By God's flavor.
By God's flavor. I'm in the fine. Yes. Oh, you stay home little while now. You are bad smelling. So, yes. I want to.
Yeah, Fabio.
Sir, you are in the fine.
Yeah, I'm in the fine.
By God's flavor. By God's flavor, you are in the fine.
I'm in the fine.
Good. Story ni bebre atwagu wachi.
Oh.
So Walid de na atwagu wachi.
Me say.
Menu mienu so ne de Walid kosia you know. Na na afen kranye sa.
On veli say kra na was nka. Me wa chiri
bibia de na kwam kama. Amwate and the make story bi atrew. Player bi. Oba ya kotkoma ne koye. Nkoma na san so make atrew. Etie bia second round.
Oh.
So bibia koya. Meka no ho asema atrew.
Oh, okay, Fabio.
Okay. Amwate
Fabio.
Blokum Chelsea ni kotko game no 1-0 ne wo. Meka ho asema atrew.
Go back up. Okay, nice.
Chire bia omoye na epai 1-1. No na we na say yes adia de ne de beto atrem first
eno ano no
yapon
tinto ntan
1-0 ekumi yes adia kofo so ba ko no hwe 1-1 na 1-0 no ba bi free kon meka atreo e na 1-1 no se yenya 1 ne de na mum yenya 1-1 ne empai
draw
ana ze odi ago so kwa na 1 na ode be pai no betu adi aka 1 na 2 all that needs it here. To wake a lot to America at the Hada at the 2
at that 1
1 on the say, would you agree? The ever pay 1 point no. Obi to be Canada on some life for sanity. Who is obi down a basuku no? And all the causes will be back. Okay, I story no. Oh, Bible. Now you find it for God. Need the end what done is work no. Ti wa we na 1 no. We na ubeda so kuna. Tire no obi ko kere de no. Sa na akoye.
Na ye chimpe.
Eti men kasa bebri.
Okay.
Amwate
Fabio.
Zito so akasa.
Yeah.
Ahead of their game against Bekum Chelsea. Ahead of 2025-2026. He has spoke dead.
Okay.
He has spoke inside. Wakasem. They make cannot say. And you derive no maybe from the casa no from the derived. Oh, what bona?
Yeah, derive. Derive. Okay.
What bon? Where are you taking it? Kwame Nkrumah Science and School of Technology. I wanna hear technology no. What bon? Bad smelling. So. Eti ya twetwe no mo bi afiri ma ye beka ho asem
okay
ye beka no tiase na jersey numbers no what say ekoso ebi bi asesa ebi so de what
ebi a maintain omo de
asesa omo de eti obehwe na o mai omo be sesa omo de na beka na omo maintain no ya ka ho asem
okay
na ye beka ho asem ne ya ka bom
and na dey say extended version
yes extended version sanity say ye di hu nkomo wi a anopam ko training last training anopai
omode ko bi
enne anopai enom ko training nti nyame ya adoma kira Friday omu nye training kira no mbetu
okay
na 20 man squad no nyame ya adoma kira me bie so wi a ni ma bie first 11 so
okay
me bie so ni ma bie first 11 so
okay
na bibia e fine ti amwate no ho adwuma ne ye be
okay
ti should I wear under
yeah
now has just number 1
many atwa so
na house for just need say di bia na just so
brand bia
say wo di power jet na say onye sa na house di e ba ye no brand bia di nim oh na wo brand na omo so dey kwa compare THB die no na de no THB just ni ye wo die ni bia say kutu say bam how do you just say obe move THB just no di agwo be move you don't compare yourself to the THB simple
yes
amwati here won say mo colors na efede ye gitum na mom just na ni din amwati here
ade ni din
u just no boni din ye ntie
eni din
ye we ka some who say o ma hye be mu nyina bi ma hye mu bia bibia kama na obodi ade bi akoto na nkofo se brand ni din de sei all the way say so let me can say na brand no wo hen just ni di now where is the brand no mo ya won no o ma kofa brand bi say oh na no brand be no
ye bi na dikaya na
o mu ye no akotwa say K Sports bi e be we
K Sports we
say
Kumase Sports we
de bi je Kumase ye Kumase
na no be pam no djuma brosanse na so no djuma brosanse so mo pam ji Sports
na wo le kon no kwa no amwate we de we busi ye no kon no a wo de hwe ade ne ni he anya Abdul Karim ne seni
Fabian camera na ka
o de wo Karim die ya zo ne komu da o da mu komu da o what you go just oh de just now the compare I die ya de he nye ni nye kwat kodie ni
fa camera ni
enye kwa nye na se kwa mpoku na be move just we kwa mpoku onu so ni abro se pa nye ni ebe move o ma ade no ya jeje no wa hawi de di ka ba ye no
obode ni 2/10
we dem in cancer me say de odi ka ho veli ni de no wagini hudi sane de ne ye dai
je
papa asanka wo de bantem embe ya na agobo etina na agobo omba ene wa ko veli ni de mebo anya sa nti amwate ma mo jet nye o no THB ni nyankwa brand
no
if you look at the texture of the jersey all the way the front elevation and the material they which they used to date the jersey no ebe move say kutu
say bam
nyankwa asem kwa amwate
fire to
and the training no it was defending and goal scoring and opera training no it was defending and goal scoring
okay
na defending and goal scoring no the free movement this season quote Karim Zito Kabute e say the team ni pressing more they make cannot here so the likes of Kwame Poku Morifin Donzu Albert Philip Amo Adegula on the better Albert Amoa
enye Philip Amo na afa ni mini kudusi
I said na konfosi mini kudus na Adegula ni nyina wutimi kabom they make cannot here say bam on the better say eti coach Karim Zito per se ni team ni yede e pressing more
okay
omo ye more pressing
okay
ti say we opponent na age ball na ye ma won build from the back amwate what you say
ye ma won ye ahome
nya de be mo age ahome ayede yakwa kosi so on e be na say na mo bro no so no per se or build from the back eti anytime bi as Kamara na dem no be nya ball no a u locate 2 and 3 no and now be locate 4 and 5 no either in any of them say them amwate make what you say na fe ye boba ye seseba no pressure ye seseba sana ade ne tie na empampi no who say no kon for obo adabo a obebo seto se kodwi amwate dia ade bi asi a wo technical meeting mu a omhu ni senka adabo ne Neymar ne befa ba Neymar no fitness level no e wo fom
okay
ti be ma seto se kodwi the not to play ahead of Neymar
okay
Neymar no omo ye ne physicals no wadwuma no wo ye fit dia is either obebo one holding player then two attacking midfielders who are ball jugglers omutibi the ball no ye dey na unse Neymar de no me catch lo say sa do koyi obi obo ase
sa bo ase no metene nka
eno no unu control tricky control then no tricky control so that's what cause say no ade aba say no osan bobo form say and osan turning ye tricky control plus turning 3 180 degrees 180 degrees what is here so ho ba bia ofa ordinary change say no be tire wade no what the natural say no kwa ba say
what the kele say bo
no ye ho no ba bi ode natural nkwaye no ho no ye 30 degrees Celsius owie no cold 180 no sa odika kwa ba say enu 30 degrees Celsius wanya triangle ya na angles ana
90 degrees no koka ho na be ka ne nya ne kabo na
enu ye 180 enu ye 30 enu odika wie ko 180 a semicircle 180 no I want to wabo papa oh the 30 degrees Celsius no
30 degrees Celsius the temperature
so we will call 180 degrees no oh no we say eti oyebo ni say oh no we was san zie say
o kele say bo no
o so ko akwa nim so wo ji akosi ko di kan ne na ni say send a flexible leg.
Flexible take leg.
It can turn in and outside down. That is name for you. Say I know I talk of town and Kofoka.
Oh yeah.
Now what?
Yeah, Fabio.
When Neymar is fit and he is fully fit, Obama problem.
Oh okay.
They make an what you say. Nti sa community. Now you can free home. Star coach dey ban am watching am catch o
yeah
opeso bobo na efe
yeah
ti oya anope yom koye how to hold the ball holding from the back to the middle but there see etimi holding to the final third they make cannot here
eno na eyemfa ne say top 4 no na opeso mo ya
na omo fambo kakra no
okay
who holdi ni allocate tie bia samba be holdi on never just on go for long so be ni ho ba no beje on never just
now what happened to Karim Zito ne 3 back na o ka so be ba be bon ko
bla bla
jai o what defenders be o betumi dey o ma bo 3 back
enye 3 back asem ne kan sisi 4 back ra yu so na 3 back
ayo
4 back we cannot see top na 3 back 4 back we cannot see top 4 back no hu so na akwa ne 3 eno kra de nyamba ne 3 mitisi eti amwate sare community e nti eye pressing
gengen press
yes I was say and they kind of force them to play nonsense. Have you played some before? It's a tactics force them to play nonsense. So anytime be opponent no defenders ni benya bo bia we need to be on them.
Okay.
So say they be ya on be fumble
on them
on them
grrr on them
yes na eno ni train yom ko no mu wi say last trainings ni ana mo aten nche yeah bobo kakra na ene amwate wo ye team bi na team na oye no amwate mi ho team ni din as a first level ni be free sa team ni maba
sa
ai first level ni be free sa memfa ma na menye ni kina
yenye mo kina me ya no
eti unse team a
ana obete ho ketuwa bi
team a comprising with on the a double samba ansu asiedu all that say abetamoa and the likes
okay
there's a team there first level
okay
they make a usia sa team asa ankura we wo mu a first level
no
they make cannot say ti sa na sitie by wo ma no yi nema edna ba sa team ni mu on the oboka kra no yi nema ba ho o the nema ba wa no hu say woni prince o su de o ye hu nema no say
assistant
yes nema no yes so on my catch say only serious kakra Or a non-serious coach, Prince Owusu.
Oh, okay.
It's a gospel truth.
Oh, okay.
They make idea. Uko training grounds are going to Dawson. Only serious business near. I'm watching.
Fabio.
Wanya. Young coach just numbers in so.
Okay.
Wanya just numbers no.
Just all catch them.
Unya
nya. So that you are above what you be a young woman, you might be.
Memma just numbers no.
Obwa anamaka.
Enra me de bi man. They make out here say. O enra me ma bi. Say enra me ye just numbers ni bi ho adwuma. Me ye bi ho adwuma fine.
Oh, okay.
Kamara Mohammed. Say kame ye test over Kamara be say.
Kamara de ne me say me 31. Last season was 16.
Okay.
On them 31.
31 now I prefer my Kamara.
And I mean him say obeshe this season.
Saibu Abubakar.
Yeah. Me huni pakro.
Number 2 no. So abeji Kuti number 2 no.
Abeji 2 JC.
They are in there. So Kuti man register both Africa in the league.
Oh, okay. So
maybe second round. Saibu Abubakar be 2. Today ne be kwa say guess who?
Oh, Francis
Aqua.
Fabrice Aqua.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nuno Mendes.
Oh, friend is a
Portugal Nino.
Nuno Mendes.
Yes, I your friend.
I don't know.
Ono. That's if we have Portugal match na nye kula.
Abujetre. Fatigue.
Samba.
Samba 6. Yes, Samba 6.
Henry Ansu
Makios. Obesene 5 now.
Obesene 5 now. Patrick Asiedu.
Obesene
17 now.
You see that has and chips are just.
What you say?
Yeah.
Yes. Yanko Joseph Ablo
22 na.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Ono the meaning said the last season was 22.
There be Ablo just near 22.
Last season no was 22.
Ena abet Lord Amo say.
Lord Amo na share 23. Lord Amo 23.
We shall no mamu you.
Oh, Lord Amo no was last season 23. Ablo na Ablo 22.
Okay. Ti actually ya confirm
your confirmation dem say
bam nyamudie ni bia Lord Hilary Adabo
on the so she agency no
ebe say number 8.
Yes.
Last season na nsu say 15.
Aye ansu no she 15.
They make cannot say.
Yes.
Last season na nsu say 15.
Okay.
As we speak nya ade a ansu baby amigina no ebi obesesa no
obeshe 15 na
15 na.
Okay.
They make cannot say baby amigina say see any there still ansu be say 15 na.
Okay.
Per what I know, unless if your changes here day
biba
ebem
okay
yanko enim
yanko
okay Lord Amwa no say 23 maintain Ablo 22 maintain
22. Yeah.
Kwame Poku asesa ne number no
say no was 31 last season.
Is we call 7.
Number 7.
Number 9 no.
Number 7 na say last year na Ogabwachi na neshi.
Na Ogabwachi on.
Ogabwachi jesi number no.
Okay. Nti number 9.
Number 9.
Who's a more favor was 14.
More favor 14.
14 be kwa kodi samote du ho. Ko tene du 20 jesi no. Unse omo ye komu with the net to transfer. It omo je 20 jesi ni ma set o se kwadwo.
Kwadwo set Tafuni Abranti.
Tafuni no. Eti tene du 20 no onya na emo on be more favor 14 dia matene du. Na more favor akofa 9. Aha ne ye story ye ma okroje.
Oh, okay.
Amwatu utie conversation am na wo kan.
Me tie pa.
We the article of Jesse numbers and the HM.
Eba Tinedu no 14 no e Jesse number ope.
Se de eno no mo dia register no.
Oh, okay.
Enya de ope o. De ope na obenya. Na dey ga na ga to na wo. Kokokokoko. Uko aye yi wo frim.
Yi wo fram. Se aka me last dance.
Amwate
Fabio.
Emmanuel Antwi.
Butterfly mine.
Maintain
10.
number 10.
Oh, butterfly.
Abetamwa maintain
18.
number 18.
Yeah.
They make cannot say. Good. Is it the end of the end? Aziz Haruna Dari
number 1.
Number 1.
On the minimum say number 1.
And what?
Yeah, Fabio.
Yabo Bobio.
Yabo Bibri.
Yabo pa.
Yabo pa.
You say tell do the see clear.
14.
Okay, MQ the any clear.
Yeah, clear.
You see Zakaria Fuseni.
Ono de anase me ye number ho hye.
There
5.
Zakaria be 5. Zakaria le be 5. Ansu be 15. Is on them janaze.
E me bi atwa mo mienu so na na ejina.
Mienu na ejina chi. Say require ye pe o manyi wa ha. Ya ye no kwa ba akobeko. Ba akobeko. We wa ko tweme story bi aba. Mienu ba akobeko.
Ti akaba konso 1 year.
Akaba ko 1 year. Enu 1 year kra. Ohim kra de 7 months.
Na say season e kra nya 1 year season.
David.
Nti football season de be kasa aka na.
Yeah. I'm watching.
Fabio.
Yanko anymore.
Yeah, idiot.
Adagula Flepamo.
Mini Kudus.
Kudus in the making. Obese 4.
Yeah.
4.
Steve Nodo Jesse
number.
Wow.
If all things be equal.
Oh, okay.
Now say you born go 4 per name Jesse number na tie. Name a Jesse number go 4 per tie.
Me kura na nim say name na eye ni di ankasa o.
Eye walid send ma me di name 2. On the better name 2 no. On say ho no mo no. Omo ye asetu. Adize 2. Oh there ja. Tutuni o ma. Ntini ma me di name 2.
And on di name.
Na name na omo spell say di name na tie na. Tina omo fe name tie walid fuseni. Name. But I had wait to make a name man to choose. Yeah, name. So what I say? I'm watching.
Fabio.
Yabo boss ko anyone.
Yakoba.
So that way your mom best at yani.
Na Inusa so e.
Oh, Inusa say 27.
Inusa 27. Ono say boy no. Na nkomo ye dum ni japa.
Say Inusa there no. Who say 27 ana?
Komo ye dum nija. Na yinso e. Opon e Japon. Oh, Johnson opon e Japon.
So ko pepe no ko fa 9. Na.
E Japon ko fa de.
Ready. Dio.
E Japon ni yi. Joseph Amo so fa say.
Joseph Amo Jesse number na se mpema wo na uzo mu nyina mo uze
ngura pa di
o nyengura ade o
maka e Japon
Jesse bi ngura o
e Japon
na se
e Japon di enye e Japon
ade
o de be ma ayi ogabo achi akwa ade be kwa kofa e Japon di ene nka mo ogabo achi ntene
ubuafu ana da me Jesse ubuafu ana
we di jirigogo sane
ubuafu ana ubuafu akara enwu de be
mebuafu ankasa we jirigogo sane no me e Japon kai enye oso obo ase no amana mu bi
waya
e Japon ba bi edukura wa metena ba njimpo hwe aga se kotoko ni edi agro Japon wa baze de ya opon omra meyi
yankɔ anim ana
yankɔ no ha me cancel
ombe no mayi say next time say pass so sa na say yo no mayi sa mo ate ase ade bi we code de mu a na wagina so de ayo no mayi ne yakɔ anim na bibia e fine pa na de wom ni say say yabo antwi
de no
yabo ansu
Kwame Poku
wabo Morifin Donzu right
yeah
and ahwan bi Abetamwa Agogo yabo Set Kojo.
Yabo. Ya ne moye. On ye so be maintain 19 na.
Oh baba ya de say 19. Ha. O say players no am wo yi ni de no a yensesa no.
Oh okay.
Say dem make what you say. Nti no a nya de ayesesa no.
Nti me ye betumi aka say ni kakra bi be fo bi na omo ala season omo maso mo jesi number kakra bi Kamara
Kwampoku Kamara and my changes in there and a tenedu no be man ko take baba ka tell ko fa 44 no.
Oh
say last 2 seasons no say 44
now what insu ate
no say 4 you say 4 no so bi age
onko she 28
that be 28 ni jai 28 just men kan wasem iconic jersey. Oh, the 28 jersey, no. If for the Central Campista.
Nah.
Yeah, 28 young crowd jersey.
Neymar.
Oh, I'm watching Jai.
Oh, okay.
Me come last one. The men casa. Why? 28 young crowd jersey. Why? Now, ahead of the season, no.
Yeah.
And a coach Karim Zito. Akasa.
Wakasa.
Now, I'm watching Coach Akasa. If you look at Coach Kasemua, boys live here amre. But Mesume Katriko said there is no time. Emre ho more than Sanibia. Na unim se Bible mu okay nka osanka force nipa nim ne bre.
Odifo.
On e jana say nipa nim ne bre.
Odifo.
Na dem pese Coach ti ase ne say ebre ye wura mu ye bre bone.
Any atasa.
Yes, atasa. Mre bone.
Oh, okay.
Na mre bone ni mu aye wura no. Oni bre.
Any atasa.
Yes. So na we just say. Now okay nka wasankafo na so si ade biara obra wa ye dey. Wasama no. Esu wo ne bre. Sedie wo ne bre. Otwa wo ne bre. Oguo wo ne bre. Otutu wo ne bre. Owu wo ne bre. Awo wo ne bre. Bibia wo ne bre. Me ka che coach say bra ya wuram no e resource oriented time atasa tie bia wa san ko biemra biem sa fe no obedele dia wa fail in advance
any supporters on better na
oh yes
atasa
they make out there say sa fe na all when again say we obedele team together there then I'm sorry you don't have time
any atasa basically
samre ye and I say coach can who see
you should kick on who see
yes put yourself together
and let your brother
they make cannot here
and who me no brother here
yes so kick who boom now to me ya duma ko because I'm watching obo area you have Kwara next game meboa
yeah
so over Kobe
eno so kra won
7 matches who him say 7 matches a pam coach
ya pam coach
ba coach 3 matches betimi yi no
say omo top 4 ni de ni nyina abeka ho
top 4 kwa say de yi de achew ne mum sa 3 na de anim no Kwara 2 home and away Chelsea match no or say utimi put yourself together na ko win isa
was we bibi on
because the entire I say we say the results have been no Chelsea game no ebema resemuna ba Kwara game ni more yes but here is the case yes yes anything I can say kotoko this season ade ba kwa be yes was management e dwene ho ye confederation cup because almost set the target according to coach was say omo pick group stages and answer
target omo dia
and who tie de lawyer Safudu kun kan na nam ye interview no won kan na was say omo di we believe in you. You have done some before.
Why you big da?
And we know you can do it. So we have given you the task.
Yeah, the Jumedi Nasha was
set for a good stages. And I'm not in that target.
Target can see pa. So one for young group.
It's assuming Sakwara you free more.
What failing?
What failing?
It's a fail.
The all coming now on can be again. A pre-season Kasan walking. Oh, when you have a tray ever far and a place and buy enter, yeah. There be
Kotoko players by JDN ho. Okay.
Now what they cry ko bo Ashanti Gold for you. Division 1 so who said you of 4 year ho draw no. So hu
kakra fa ne say no na ma na kasa
yes
kakra fa
yes amwate
Fabio
ade a aka otim ne ho no ye goal scoring
go shen
ma if you go to training Kwame Poku is not scoring Abetamo is not scoring more fans so no ba ye no manya mfa ma
Kwame Poku yenka no kwankyere Kwame Poku onye serious ada say we video ba ko ka agent onye serious
oh say me ni problem ya
na me serious
na me kan wasema bitimi kana me kana plain say kwa be na kasa wonim say the form abafo
onye serious
onim say the form
onim say on press
yes onim
on press
onim say the form abafo di amwaten sa na community e ye me kana oti ase na enkomo bi akoso na enkomo na akoso no amwaten Urim say place na come 1 year no. Joseph Ablo, Kamara Muhammad, Samba Indungani,
Ansu,
Baba Yaya, Ansu. Sa place we are come nyina 1 year. Now I can confidently tell you say Kotoko betimi renew abetu. Per dia me nim ni dia metete no. Dia Kotoko betimi renew no ebi mienu. Ebia
intimenu so aka no
1 year.
Yeah.
Ebia mienu. Say intim kwa de o mo friend say o ma renew e na wa ama no de kopirae. Tika ko be renew kwa ka ebia o be ka ebia o me ma be 1 year na 2 years na ko nya be 3 e na wa anko penifo to ne nsa friend ba wa nya dey o mo man offer wa anko amwatin
Fabio
me pese ye bo Chelsea game ni wie ni e bo kwara ni wie na me be kasa place ho asem etie for the moment me kwamera be ye I see Kotoko say o mbe lose be 4 players out of this place amabobo you say some of these players amabobo e bi wo contract pending contract wo Kamara Samba Ablo Ansu Baba Yaya yeses ana hwan
say wa bo awi
yes sir
and
intim de menyi film for now but some players amabobo
na yin so aka ne say
Koti de bro 1 year
okay
Koti bro 1 year
so about middle of this
about middle of Koti de obe 1.5 plus
okay
eko na ti and until na won menka na ho asem nti some players amabobo yi amwatin ebi enya offer me na me ka kire
no de say ya yawo
ebi enya offer dada a unimba fresh offers bi aba especially for defenders omo mbo ati mu hwe mu yi Ansu Ablo Samba offers bi aba se me katama ni ti say ya me hu Albanian club se ka me se nkomo a ka be ka se me wura Kotoko tim nim no e na abofo ndim tu wura ase ho na me wura ase ho de me ko kire ho omo mbo ati ba ko bi o ma wanya Albanian contract awate wo de we are serious oh yes me ni agrokra so na betina say eti amwate say the contract ni si ba no don't you think say Samba ko bokwara game no improve a Kotoko be standing contract obebre
obebre
ana oni
obebre
they are going to suffer yan kan okre
say initially no enye no mo free omo a ye hwehwe mu a ye e kire say na nka Kotoko mo 2 years ba
1 year 1 year
nti ara na Kotoko mfa 1 year ne mo na
yes
club no eba enya kakra
ho ana say na tire wo ton in dem ye boko na contract bi ba na waton no wa pa bi ashi
in the middle of the season sir
na dia be first one e bo wie na we na wo firi mu oka ina na ne wo twitwa bi adi
asemo
dia be kan what ase yes that is the whole thing
okay
amwati madi nkomo bi na nkomo na madi no okay Kaboy Bonaventure
me kan ne pa
say oba second one be won
enye me wanwa bebre die esa anse nkomo bi ko so bra no wo back to Burkina no
okay Kaboy Bonaventure is likely say be a second one he might return to Kotoko
obetumi abeshim okay
mama pende sa story no okay also me ye PC no
obi abeye
but emu nsam ni nyina no ekura abofo ba bia me ko intercept ye no na me de pen drive kotwe ye no.
Oh.
I'm watching enkomo bi ekoso no.
Ah.
I'm watching
Fabio.
Yeah.
Yes, and you see corner. I how you dear chila.
I'm watching.
Or the last two chem.
Board. Se board amakwa. Na de betene bi a IMC no. Imochicha.
Emo dear. Enye me wanwa. O say, oni abofo ye adwuma. Na to da bia. Ye on say, ye no yi me no ye adwuma kakra no menya abofo aso ne kakra.
Yes.
Inti me de maso. Akote fikasie mu kakra.
Okay.
Na wona no mankoko ne bi tutu maso. Bibi sa betumi asi.
Board. IMC board. BFAP IMC or board. Is it ka person be full IMC na yen ko board?
Me ana. The IMC ye die.
Maza.
The omu ye die.
BFAP or board?
MBFAP.
Na okay, o de ye. MBFAP on. Ye fa be kan wo ye mesem kina.
Expertise. Yen fa expertise omo ma ye bi pen. Omo ni madwuma
ni so. Ti amwaten. Court comes to Kasai ahead of the new season. Yes, so be ati ba yen fa no nto aso. Na ahwefo na enjoy no. Na nyame ya adom atina. Ya ba na ye no mo be wuram. Na nyame ya adom atina de be ma 20-man squad on be enter Brekum. Ye make cannot say. 20-man squad on be enter Brekum. Make me catch say 2 goalkeepers. 2 goalkeepers meaning. Okay. Defenders say commit me a yama. Midfielders say commit me a yama. Na mama strikers ebeko. Omo mu nkobi no. Me ya obo hu so mu nkobi. Amwati ase ti. Ba be mfa no nse nyame ya adom a. Ochina. Na nyame ya adom a. Me de 20 man na eba no. Na mazim 11 the ama supporters and say we mu na the men to stand against the heat of Brekum Chelsea. Yes. Me see game no. Say
1-0. Ekomi.
E paya
1-1.
Enye se bia na kire mu ne omo ye no scoreless draw.
Let's just obi anhye bi goalless.
Na mo utira anye ya obi beda no basko kunu no be chew de no.
And also the Brekum for so the omunimu ye. Kankani akwa na ukwa kochi omo. And so ne ye.
I'm watching ye ko na ewie di zito interview na to aso.
Okay.
Sam no kwa fumeso a padlock set tie ni. Yatum.
Sa
Obi mfredi. Na obi nsusu nye dey.
Inrem.
Disciplinary
issues is solved.
Yes. Enti sa na sitie. I Fabio TV so nyame yadoma ebesi na yesa na agudi mu nsem abeso.
Mo like no mo.
Wo like na wo subscribe. Subscribers bebrebe je hu ba bi o mo se. Mombra so na mo mahwe video no. Mo hwema ni si.
Ye the video ne to almost ba ko akwa 2.5k.
Subscribers bebrebe ya da mu nya mo wai. Mumpie o.
Mombra.
Subscribers mun so yo. Munti ni video no. Munti. Why? Ti nyame yadoma ye besia. Ye de zito interview ne to aso de amount.
To prepare and be ready. First of all, how has your preseason been so far? Are your boys ready for the new campaign? And how are the new boys slotting into the team?
Okay, I think the only problem we had was after the season, we couldn't have the opportunity to rest. We played the FA Cup. Immediately we finish, we attacked the Presidential Cup. Immediately we finish, we travel outside to play Kaiser Chiefs. So when we came back, it was then the stage for us to do the preseason. So instead of us to rest, we couldn't rest enough, and then we started. So I think we were also in the first phase of the preseason when top 4 issue was okay. So I have to adjust the the way we go in, and then we came to the what do you call it, top 4. In terms of creativity at goal, it was nice, but the play wasn't good because I know from where we stopped and then came for the top 4, there's no way we can gel. At the end of the day, we couldn't score even a goal. And I wasn't down. I know definitely this is what is going to happen to the team. But we came back, gathered our memento, and then we went for the champion of champions, and then we won. So gradually we are on it, trying to fix things. You know, when you are with a lot of new players, it takes time for them to gel because the adaptation is not easy, and then the level of intelligence is not the same. So it will take, even the Europeans will tell you it takes time. Some will tell you it takes a season before the team will gel to the way you want it. But there's nothing we can do. We have to fight and fight hard, and then adjust our thinking, adjust our attitude towards the league, and then the Confederation Cup. So we are on it. In terms of injury, we are still facing problems with injury. When you look at the set of the midfield we are having in team, is not, I don't even think it might be, it's not likely we'll get him in the first half of the season, and then Baba too is not well. So we are left with only entry in the middle, and then before the new ones come. So we are trying to let them play together, and then you gel, and then the team will be going on. But this, of all what I said, doesn't mean we are not ready. We are ready to play. We are ready to play. But how people will be expecting it to gel, it will take time, but to play.
Coach, how excited are you with regards to the new boys in terms of what you were expecting when you first saw them, that they can help the team? You have them, coach them. How do you feel? Are you impressed with your boys, and what should we expect from them?
Why not? Because individually they are very good. But in terms of bringing them together is what I'm facing now. So I think this week we started talking to ourselves. We go to the video room to analyze the team together with them. So I had a meeting with them on Monday, and then everybody came out with what is his problems, not in terms of, but playing problems, you know, the way I want them to play. So I have to be a little bit soft with them, but I will make sure that they come to the level I wanted. And, you know, aside that, resources also matter as well. So we are trying to combine the two, because my philosophy is adding beauty to goal scoring. And people don't see it now, but it takes time. It will come.
Coach, we begin the season with a very difficult game away, a venue that we've not won. Berekum Chelsea. It's difficult. Do you see it the same way?
Kotoko don't have a soft game. Kotoko never had a soft game. I remember when I was also playing the younger clubs, anytime they see Kotoko, you see us matching towards Kotoko, doing everything we can do to beat them. So in terms, I told my boys, the way you prepare against Kotoko when you were not in Kotoko, like the same thing the other clubs to prepare, the players to prepare against you. So to me, not only Betim, you know, not only what do you call it, Chelsea. The game is very difficult. Moreover, according to history, Kotoko don't easily have it easier over there. But there's always a day in your life that can change issues. So we still have our confidence and hope that we can do it.
Coach, you are meeting another coach who is very experienced in terms of winning the league, the FA Cup, as you've been very successful. Does it add a little spice to the game in terms of that tactics?
Why not? Why not? Everybody wants to beat Kotoko. Every coach wants to beat Kotoko. That makes Kotoko work so difficult, because there's no easy game for Kotoko. So It's like they can come all out in us. So we are also ready, getting prepared for every coach. You understand me? Because football is about moment. Where you had your moment and you make good use of it, and that's all.
Coach, to be very successful and to win the league, we look back at last season, the number of goals that we scored throughout the season, which was somewhere 38, and you have 4 attackers, that is strike, Kwame Poku, Morifin. If added Morifin, you have Albert, and now the youngster Jordan Emisa. Have you set any target for these guys in terms of?
So I tell you, we sat together, we think together. It's not only number 9 that scores. So we set the target that the only thing we have to set, the only objective we have to set that defeated Kotoko is to win the league. Aside that, nothing else. So since we've all agreed, it means everyone has to be at his best.
Mm-hmm. Coach, I know all the 18 clubs, coaches, they are under serious pressure to perform one way or the other. But beyond that, you carry a different pressure. That is being a former player of the club, wanting the club to win every trophy. Supporters are in, waiting to see 3 points at the end of the every game that you play. Are you ready? How are you preparing yourself?
Well,
for
I
the
think
heat
when you go through the coaches of today, I'm not the oldest anyway, but in terms of experience, I also have. But experience alone can't win your game. And I know the club I'm in. I've played for getting to 10 something years, and then I was successful when I was playing. And again, this is not the first time I come to Koto. You know, this is, I think, the 3rd time I was here as an assistant coach. Later, I took over from Malik. Then it went and came back as with Didi at the top, and then I was also controlling the U17, where we had so many good players presenting Ghana today. So and this is the 3rd time. So I know what is at stake. So only we have to work hard to achieve, because Kotoko is not a club that can succumb itself for any other result apart from winning. So we'll do our best.
So you see that your pressure is different. That's in what's the target for you, from the expectation from the supporters is different.
Yes, whatever it is, they will talk. Yeah. I know they will talk. But all what I will tell them is they should be patient in terms of our play. Sometimes it will come and then it will go. Because we've not started gelling. It's a fact. Yeah. I think I was with my technical team yesterday. I told them it can take you a season to gel, but we are forcing issues. They have to understand us, and that is not an excuse for me to go off my target. My target is to win the league. At the end of the day, what matters most is to win the league. So I think we need a press. That is more important, because when you do the football analysis at the end of the day, you had everything right, but still you lost the game. You can attribute it to lack of luck, because an element of luck can also, but an element of luck goes with hard work. You understand? You did everything right, but the ball didn't enter. So that is where we attribute it to an element of luck. But yes, we are seriously working on our deficiencies so that we'll be better during the league.
Are your boys ready for Saturday?
Yes, they are very, very ready. We are very, very ready. We are still in camp. Everything is going smoothly. I'm only praying that those who are injured should be okay before the Africa.
All right. Thank you very much, Coach. We wish you the very best for the weekend.
Thank you very much.